Welcome to Bubble Art Kids. Hello kids! Let's learn the phonic sound of letter I. Are you ready? Let's go! This is big I and this is small I. Letter I makes the sound like E, E. I is for igloo. E, E, igloo. I is for ink. E, E, ink. I is for insect. E, E, insect. I is for iguana. E, E, iguana. I is for ill. E, E, ill. I is for inch. E, E, inch. I is for inside. E, E, inside. I is for India. E, E, India. I is for infant. E, E, infant. I is for injection. E, E, injection. Let's revise all the words once again. Igloo, ink, insect, iguana, ill, inch, inside, India, infant, injection. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Bye bye.